Hey there, welcome to Android Developer. On this channel, we guide you through Android development. Today, we are kicking off with our first video, tackling the task of creating a Get Started screen. So in this video, we are creating the Get Started screen for our mobile app. We are using Jira ticket with user acceptance criteria. Here are some of acceptance criteria that we have to follow. As a user, I want a video running in the background. As a user, I want to see the app logo and name. Along with want to see some major category and brief description, and then get started that take them to the login screen when tapped. Let's begin with our first task, which is getting a video to run in the background of our app. To achieve this, we'll need two main things, a video player and a video file itself. For that, let's use ExoPlayer as our video player to run video. To render video content, we'll place the video file in our mobile application. Now let's head over to Android Studio and start writing some code. First, we'll integrate ExoPlayer by adding its dependency in our Gradle file. We'll do this by adding the following line, as you can see on the screen. Once we have added the dependency, let's create our video view. As we discussed, we need two components. First is video file and second is video player. Let's configure ExoPlayer to continuously play the video file. Our requirements are video should be played in a loop, there should not be any sound, and player control should be invisible. Since we are using Compose to build our app UI, we'll create the ExoPlayer using Android View. Let's use above created configuration and export it. Now let's see its output. Let's compile and test this, and here we go. Great. As you can see, video running in continuously. Cool. We have completed our first objective. Now let's move to next task, which is showing the app logo. As part of this objective, we need to display app logo and name in vertical arrangement. To achieve this, we'll use a column container in Jetpack Compose. With column, items are automatically arranged vertical. Let's create our logo view. We'll start by adding column. Using that, we'll arrange item view vertically. Let's use image view from Compose to set our image. For the text view, we'll use text view and set its value from string resources. Now let's preview the logo. To see its output in real time, we'll use preview annotation. After compiling, we can show how it looks. Great. Here's the output for the app logo view. Our next task is to display app category. With app category, we have adding animation as well. Every 3 seconds, category will highlight and its description will change. To implement this, we need to arrange text horizontally along with description at the bottom. We'll use a row layout similar to column. It helps to arrange item horizontally. Next big thing is animation of app category. So every 3 seconds, a new category need to be highlighted. To do this, we'll create an event generator that recompose the view every 3 seconds. Let's write out our animation view for text view. As you can see, we'll use a while loop. With a 3 second delay, we are generating an index. Depending on this index, we are recomposing our category view. And using index, all we have to set text appearance, that is bold or simple. For that, we are using special type of highlighted text. As you can see, all we are just setting text appearance, and that's it. Finally, we are done with our objective. Let's compile and see it in real action. Great. Output look as expected and animation working as expected. Let's move to our next objective, which is showing button on screen. On tap of Get Started button, we'll navigate to Login screen. Implementation button in Compose is straightforward. Implement button view will use box and import text view in it. Don't worry, we'll get understanding of box view in few seconds. Let's compile and see it's in real action. Here we go. Finally, we are done with all subtasks of screen and ready with individual unit. Let's finally assemble and form a screen out of it. We'll use two layouts. One is box and another is column layout. Box layout used to place item on top of each other. Plus column layout put every item in vertical order. Since video need to goes into background and all child element have to place on top of video, we'll use box layout first and then place all component inside column layout. And that's it. Let's compile and see it in real action. Hey, voila. Now we are done with our get started screen. Let's talk our summary what we have learned so far. First, ExoPlayer used to play video. Column layout used to place element in vertical order. Similarly, row used to place in horizontal order. Image view used to display image and text view used to display text. Preview annotation used to display control in real time. And that's all folks for this video. We have put Git repo in description for your reference. We recommend take a clone and try to see it in real action. If you like this content, leave a like and subscribe for more videos. That's all. Developer signing off.